Hey guys, am I glad to see you back? It means we're doing something right.
Hello. Hello. This is sausages, baby, isn't it? Hey? You sausages, baby. Hi. So these are sausages first litter. Our babies, the baby pigs of the farm.
Their mum made them a bed out of callaloo.
They're currently eating some pig feed in.
Glad to see you still with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. You know, come on, we want to get us out there. We want to share this content. So as you know, these are our little piggies, and we'll be showing you some of the older pigs shortly.
Poking her nose through, so we've separated them from her now, so they stop drinking her milk and wean them, but they're still close by to her mum, and somebody is sniffing the back of me, I don't know who it is. But yeah, so she'll sting her from time to time.
Do you know, guys, I never actually thought I would love pig farming. Believe it or not, I used to be petrified of animals, but I am so in love with these dirty little pigs. But on the farm, it's fun, it's light-hearted, and we do our best for them.
They seem happy, healthy, and that's the main thing. You checking me out again? That's the main thing. Oh. I love this little cheeky one here. Hey? Hi. Hi. So our pig sausage is on the other side, poking her nose through. She's had lots.
So there you have it, our little piglets. and I am going to take you on to see the Big Six. I don't know how they got that name, but it's just stuck with them. So here we go, on to the next. What is it, the mud in the... Yeah. And then what, they're just rolling in the mud again? Yeah, you're cleaning every morning and then you come back and they look like they've never been cleaned. So they had melons this morning for breakfast. Wow. So this is our six, the big six, I call them. We've got Dottie in the corner. I checked it, it was about 25 to 22.
7:50.
Yeah, no, 7:40. 7:40 a.m. So that's Dottie. Mademoiselle. And I've currently got a pig trying to eat my wellies. That's all good. Hey, I run away now. Hi. Yep, so this is the Big Six. I'll show you some images of them when they were a lot younger. This is them. This is Big Six eating watermelon for breakfast today. So we mix their feedings between the pig pellets and the watermelon. Dottie's there in the tiger, enjoying herself. So they've had a nice little wash. But if you check back with them in say 15 minutes, they'll look dirty again. So they never look clean apart from in the morning. So that's pigs for you, eh? And we have Georgie. And Georgie's there. You see the back of her. She's busy eating her watermelon, so I'll leave her a minute. And the Big Six is next to Cheeky Rambo. Rambo's enjoying his watermelon all to himself. Rambo used to be in the pen with the Big Six. As he got a bit bigger, they separated him. I think he's enjoying having his own space. So as you can see, this is our Cheeky Rambo. The reason we call him Cheeky, if you've watched the previous videos on our shorts, you shall know. If you haven't, go and head over after this video and you'll see exactly why we call this one Cheeky. He really is. So this is what feeding time looks like in the morning. They're very quiet. When they're hungry, you shall hear them. That is one of my favourites. I'm apologising in advance for my little image effects. I just could not help myself. Sorry.
Honestly. So we try to keep on top of these pens on a daily basis. As you can see, it is a task. Because they are messy. There's mud. There is mud in here. Is there mud in here? No. It's just a poo. Oh, that's honestly. No, but what, that bit there, is that not mud? Oh, thanks. The piss needs washing, not me. Because it just amazes me that it just looks like that. Like, I don't even know. Yeah, they're gonna look dirty again. So the brush broke yesterday. Or what they would call brooms. Push brooms. So I need to get another push broom.
Right, wait, just hold it right there. So, he wants me to turn off the hose, but I've got to get out the pen. And getting out the pen means standing right beside the cow. That's in the way. Really? He said the cow don't business with me. I don't know what that cow might want to do when I exit from this pen.
How do you know the cows don't business with you? You said you don't understand. What did you say to me? They don't talk to you to tell you. Sticky. That's really up here as well. It's the dots for me. How am I going to get out and the cow's right there? How am I going to get out? Oh my gosh, the cow is like literally right there. Oh, I don't know what's happening. I'm scared. Are you going to show him for me then? Please.
He's basically telling me to move from where I am, but how?
And then I can get out. You're not going to show him? I'm trying. So how am I going to get out? Georgie, help me. How am I going to get out, Georgie? I'm stuck. He's right there. Right there. Would you come out of this pen? If he was there. I'm sorry, I can't. Oh, dear me. I'm stuck.
It looks like the pigs want to help me, but I'm telling you now, I seriously need a plan.
I'm stuck. Anyone want to help me? Right, what do I do? Because I am currently getting ignored and he's not going to shoo him for me. So what do I do? How do I get out? Shoo shoo! What do I do? There's another exit.
I'm not gonna lie, I did think about escaping really quickly, but nah.
Should I? No, I'm not. I'm not even risking it.
Oh, look who it is, Mr. B himself. Is he coming to help me or just tease me even more about not helping me to get out of here? So yeah, he finally decided to come and help me. Why didn't he just do that in the first place? That Mr. B. But guys, please subscribe, hit that button, comment, like, share. Come on guys, let's get it out there. Oh, thank you.